What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet channel. Today we're doing a video on how to make money with Bitcoin, and this is going to be another installment in the Crypto Classroom playlist. So there's going to be a link in the description below to come down here and watch the playlist. Check it out. I think you'll learn something cool. So welcome back. We're here at the channel, which as a matter of fact has been doing fantastic lately. This last video has about 99 views right now, and we're about to hit 100 views. In 3 days, that's really quick for me, so I'm really excited that the channel's doing so great, and I can't wait to go forward. So one of the most foundational pieces of anyone's infrastructure for making money in crypto is most likely going to be trading. I do trade, and if you do not know who the Oracle is, make sure you go down in the link in the description. I am a wolf in the Oracle's Discord. We learn how to trade, and we have a wonderful community. You guys should definitely go check out the Oracle's channel below. Get in the Discord and join the Wolf Pack. It's amazing, and I've learned so much already about trading, about how to make money in crypto, and that's how I can give all this knowledge back to you guys. So we use a platform called Bit7 to trade, and it looks like this. And wow, as you can see, we just had a massive dump in Bitcoin. Wish I checked that a couple seconds earlier because I might have been able to make some money right there. But anyway, this is where we trade, and we trade on the 1 minute chart, and we use BitMEX to go by the 6 hour. That's all you need. No special indicators, no TA. We don't use any of that stuff. It's just prime trading. So we kill it in the Wolf Pack. You guys should definitely go get in the Discord. Check out Oracle's channel and all the videos he makes. It's awesome. You guys are going to love it. So trading is how most people make money in crypto, or how they say they make money in crypto. And it's really important because you can make money on the way up or the way down, guys. When Bitcoin is doing whatever it wants, whatever it pleases, you're going to make money on the way up and the way down. So you can compound over time and make a lot of money that way. So trading is really awesome. You need to learn how to do it. It is risky as anything else in crypto, so you have to learn and actually take the time to study and be good. But when you can, man, it'll really pay off, I promise. Now that brings me over to the next method of how to make money with Bitcoin. You can trade, and that's more of an active income. You have to work to get the money. The second option is passive income. You know, I've talked about platforms like QubitTech here. This is a passive platform where you deposit your Bitcoin and you don't do anything. You could do things like sharing your link and joining affiliate programs with the passive platforms, but this is mainly passive, and you will make 250% on your initial deposit. I have plenty of videos on the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet channel about QubitTech, and I will be making more about other passive platforms. But if you want to go check out QubitTech, I will also have a link down below for the QubitTech playlist that you can go check out. But anyway, there's a lot of great options for passive platforms out there. CashFX is one of them. We in the Wolfpack were in Ethereum Gold at one point. I can show you a screenshot of what that looks like. So this is just a random screenshot of Ethereum Gold. This was a DApp that we got in. The Oracle got in around $1.17 and ran it all the way up to $10 or $11. Made tons of money in this platform. Unfortunately, the developer changed some things around and kind of made it newer, and honestly ruined it, in my opinion, for a lot of people. We are now out of this platform, but there's many other passive options for you. Like I mentioned before, CashFX, QubitTech here. This is especially a good one because of the affiliate program that they offer. I can show you very quickly that I have been making videos for about a month, maybe 2 months on this channel almost so far, and I have received about over $400 in affiliate income. So here you can see, if we scroll down, I've received $366 from a direct bonus and $54 from the binary bonus. If I were to rank up, I receive access to the matching bonus, then I will be ranking up and receiving a ranked bonus. The affiliate side of QubitTech is fantastic, and definitely go check out the playlist I have on the channel. Like I mentioned before, use the link down in the description to get in now while you can. I will absolutely be covering more passive income platforms as they come out and as we find them and get into the good ones. I'll be making more videos to show you guys how to make money with Bitcoin, and that will bring me into the third option, which is core compounding. Core compounding is a strategy that the Oracle also created, and I have tried it on Coinbase Pro here. So what core compounding is where you set a core number for your currency. So let's say you want to hold $1,000 of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is going to move up and down throughout the day, so you take advantage of when it goes up and when it goes down. So let's say you start with 1,000 and it moves up to 1,100. You're going to sell $100 back down to your core number of 1,000, and maybe later on during the day or the next day it goes down to 900. You use the $100 you ripped off to put back in when it goes down. You're buying back up to your core number and selling back down to your core number. So you're constantly buying lower and selling higher. aka ripping and dipping the market. So that's a really great way to make money in a bull run or a sideways market. We are kind of topping a bull run, it looks like right now, which could lead into a sideways market. We don't really know. Who knows what's going to happen, right, guys? So it's a very great strategy. I will definitely do more videos on it in the future and have a video or maybe even a series dedicated to core compounding because I really want to get back into it. I personally did use the strategy and it did make me a little money. I was using Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's important that you have multiple assets in your core compounding basket, so to speak, because you can be a little more diversified and you're not just relying on one asset or one stock. You can also use the strategy with stocks too, and it works very well. Now, those are 3 fantastic ways to make money with Bitcoin, but there's also a 4th option that you have that I'm sure most of you think is the normal thing to do with your Bitcoin. That's called hodling, which means hold on for dear life. And hodling is when you just hold on to your crypto and watch it go up and down every day, and you don't sell or buy anymore, you just hold it and watch it. Now that's almost like core compounding, except every day you're taking advantage of the rips and the dips in the market. So obviously that is kind of similar, but core compounding works way better because you're actually buying and selling low and high. So when people look up videos on YouTube on how to buy Bitcoin or what to do with their Bitcoin, how to make money with it, they often see people saying, hey, go buy your Bitcoin and store it on a hardware wallet. I talked about that in another video on the channel and said that hodling your Bitcoin could lead to a little bit of deflation, but you're also not taking advantage of the volatility of Bitcoin. And I think it's really important that you do that so you're not just sitting there and waiting for your money to go up in value or for Bitcoin to hit $100,000. We don't know what's going to happen. So it's important to take advantage of the time now while it's super volatile and take advantage of these times to make money. So I just wanted to make that clear to you guys. Maybe hodling isn't right for you, or maybe it is, and you guys could use your Bitcoin and just hold it and sit on it, and maybe it will go up in value. We don't know. If you were holding Bitcoin in the last 4 months, you actually would have doubled your money. So it can prove to be a great strategy once in a while. Thank you all for tuning in for another video on the Savvy Bitcoin Wallet channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to make money with Bitcoin. Make sure to like the videos and subscribe. Go check out the other playlists on the channel. Go check out all the links in the description, and have a good day.